I'm Shashank Srikant, and I am part of the AnyScale Learning for All lab, where I work with Dr. Unime O'Reilly. We have two primary goals. One is to understand how we humans go about the process of reading and writing computer programs. And the second is a related goal, where we want to learn how we can teach machines to be able to help us learn and help us program more efficiently and better. So why is this an important problem? Well, it's hard to deny the prevalence of software and programming in our lives. So almost every system that we interact with these days has some form or has some component of a program or a software sitting in it, which is helping it run and which is helping it exist. So despite this prevalence, what is really surprising is that we seem to understand very little of how our brains and how we as humans engage in this complex cognitive activity. There's been a lot of work on understanding how we process math and how we learn math and such skills, but programming seems to have not been understood with the same amount of detail. It's only very recently that we figured out which parts of the brain are involved in an activity like reading computer programs. So it's only now that these results are being understood and these problems are being articulated. And this has a lot of potential. So imaginably, if we do understand the cognitive bases of how we program and how we interact with programs, it is very likely it'll inform also of how to make ourselves better at it and how to teach ourselves this skill so that we can go about this process of reading and writing programs much more easily and much more efficiently. I personally believe it's a fascinating area with plenty of such open questions that are waiting to be answered, and I hope to make steady progress and go through them one after the other.